channel. So folks, today I thought we would do a really quick tip, trick, and hack video. Kind of past me is
I'm in a cafe, man.
going to be helping out future me or present me. Future me, you'll be dealing with future me. I'm dealing with present me presently, speaking of course. And what are we doing? We're doing the oven. The
Stovetop.
When you are traveling in Spain, Europe, they use induction ovens, induction stoves.
I have no idea what
So
I'm doing.
if you are new to this and never seen them before, or are, I mean, it's not in English. It's not in any language. In fact, it's like this strange alien symbolism. So if it just takes me back to my first time trying to figure out how to use the damn thing, and I ended up, I think, just having cold cereal that night. So you want to learn how to use these stovetops. That said, over the last few years, I've made different videos here and there. I'm gonna kind of mash them all together. And I'm gonna put like maybe my take on how to use one, a particular model there that you will definitely see. And Hospitalera, who was kind enough to show me, I can't remember who it was though.
Andrea. It was totally Andrea.
So I'll put those two videos together, and by the end of this, you will know, and rather fast. In fact, if you've watched this much already without fast forwarding, thank you. Thank you. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, on to the videos.
When in Spain, you're going to see a stovetop that looks something like this, in some variation, some form. Now, you could maybe Google the name of the company and the serial number and get some instructions on how to use it, or you could just follow this video. And they're all basically the same. This, believe it or not, is the on button. So you want to hold that until it's on. Now this is splashing H because this burner, which is this burner, as you can see, it's the highlighted one, which is the top. That's the highlighted one, which is the bottom. And it's also larger because it's the bigger burner. Anyways, the reason why it says H right now, while the stove is off, and you may already know this, is because that burner is hot. So anyways, we turn it back on. And now we set this burner, which is right here, and then just these arrows. It might be minus or plus. On this stove, it's arrows. And typically, it'll be a number minus the dot. The dot just locks it in, but this one is a very basic model, so it's always locked in. So that's it. That's how you raise the temperature. That's how you lower the temperature. This is how you set a timer if you want. If it's time cook, or timed if you're timing something you're cooking. Other than that, it's that simple.
However, I should know, and this is very, very important, induction stovetops require special pots and pans that are made out of magnetic material. So if you're using aluminum, copper, glass, ceramic cookware that does not have a magnetic base, you're going to run into some problems. Trust me, that's what I found so confusing the first time I tried to use the stove. I was using the wrong type of pot. So, look for this symbol.
Inducción.
Smash that subscribe!
You turn it on here. Okay. You choose the one you are going to use. For example, this one is this one. Okay.
Yep.
And then
Boost. Oh, plus. Okay.
less or more. Okay. This is very strong.
Yeah.
So very easy. Just turning on. Choose one plus or less.
Okay.
Okay.
And a special pan, or is any pan?
The one you have. Oh yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
Thanks so much for watching in, fellow pilgrims. I really appreciate you tuning in. I hope you found a little bit of value in today's video. I know I would have found a little bit of value in today's video had I watched it so many years before. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Buen Camino.